Alright, well, here's what I got so far. Painting the butt cover just got off. Timing cover and all got off. That bottom pulley gear right there probably be a pain in the ass. But I'm getting ready to take these heads off. Don't look too bad down in there. It's dry. It's not gummy. I blew a lot of trash down in there messing with all this other stuff. But